Respirators may be required when smoke, fumes, or dust create potentially dangerous conditions. SDS sheets will show which chemicals require respirators for their users. Dust is a concern at many mine sites. Silica is the most common element in the Earth's crust. Dust is created when rocks are crushed, sized, and processed. If excessive dust-sized silica is inhaled into the lungs, lung damage or even death can occur. Mine operators are required to determine how much silica dust their employees are exposed to and then use engineering controls, such as water sprays, to minimize the exposure. Most surface mines work hard to minimize the dust in their operations by using water trucks to spray haul roads and other dusty areas of the mine, vacuuming trucks, water sprays on conveyors, screens, crushers, and in otherwise dusty rock processing operations, and truck washers to wash the dust off of trucks before they leave the site. Engineering solutions are the first choice for controlling dust and airborne contaminants. When these methods aren't effective, the mine operator will measure the contaminant to determine the proper type of respirator and cartridge to protect the miners from exposure. Before using a respirator, you will be trained and fit tested to ensure that there is an effective seal to keep dust or other contaminants out. If respirators are required at your site, there should be a written respiratory protection program. All miners who use respirators should carefully follow this program. It is very important that you understand these respirators do not supply oxygen. They only filter the air you breathe. This is a facepiece. Cartridges are attached to the facepiece. These cartridges are designed to filter particles, such as silica dust, out of the air. Chemical cartridges are designed to protect against chemical contaminants. These cartridges are combination cartridges for both particle and chemical filtering. Cartridges are connected to the facepiece using this system of cartridge connectors. Be sure you use the proper cartridge for the job you are doing. The inhalation and exhalation valves should be clean and free of cracks or tears. The neck strap headband is used to keep the respirator in place. These respirators should never be used in areas where there isn't enough oxygen or in areas where contamination is more than 10 times the acceptable level. Cartridges must be replaced as they approach the end of adequate protection. Some cartridges are equipped with an end-of-service life indicator. If your cartridges don't have this indicator, replace filter cartridges when there is excessive breathing resistance when inhaling. Chemical cartridges should be replaced when there is an odor or taste of gases or vapors. The unit should be inspected before donning. Inspect the neck strap and headband for elasticity, breaks, or tears. Make sure the adjusters are working correctly. Check the facepiece for dirt, cracks, tears, or holes. Check inhalation and exhalation valves for cracks, tears, and dirt. Check the cartridge connectors for cracks and damage. Make sure your cartridges are clean. Replace them if they are damaged in any way. To don the respirator, securely attach the cartridges and follow the instructions to properly place the straps around your neck and head. The strap should be just snug enough so that no air leaks around the facepiece. Conduct a fit test. Each time you use your respirator, test for tightness by one of the following methods. Test using negative pressure by placing your palms over the cartridges lightly. Gently inhale so that the facepiece collapses slightly and hold your breath for 10 seconds. The facepiece will remain collapsed while you hold your breath unless there is a break in the seal. Test using positive pressure by placing your palm lightly over the exhalation valve cover and gently exhaling to build up a slight pressure inside the respirator. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. The positive pressure will remain unless there is a leak in the seal. If any leaks are detected, readjust the harness straps and repeat the test until there aren't any leaks. The respirator must pass one of the tightness tests before it is used. Before you use a respirator for the first time, a qualified person at the mine will do a qualitative or quantitative respirator fit test to determine the amount of protection it will provide. This test will be done again annually or when changes warrant another test.